Meaning of emergency brake.
Emergency brake.
Emergency brake.
Emergency brake.
Emergency brake. An emergency brake is a fail-safe mechanism that is designed to stop or slow down a vehicle when the regular braking system fails or is unable to fully stop the vehicle. The emergency brake is typically activated by pulling a lever or pushing a button, and it engages a separate set of brakes that are independent of the primary braking system. The result of using the emergency brake can vary depending on the situation, but it typically causes the vehicle to come to a stop or at least slow down significantly, which can prevent accidents or further damage.